Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox and review the Airversa Purelle Smart Air Purifier. Nevertheless, before we begin, let's open the package and see what's inside. Right out of the box, we have the user manual, power adapter, and the Airversa Purelle Smart Air Purifier. The Airversa is a sleek, attractive, and smart air purifier that works with Apple HomeKit over Thread. It has a touch-enabled control panel and high-precision PM2.5 sensor for real-time display. The H13 True HEPA 3-stage filtration helps remove 99% of harmful particles including pollen, pet dander, smoke, dust mites, bacteria, and viruses. It also features multicolor air quality indicator and filter life indicator to give you the information you need to keep your family safe from airborne irritants. The air quality indicator shows the quality of the surrounding air by color. Green means excellent, yellow means moderate, red means poor. The Purelle has 5 fan speed settings and an adaptive brightness feature so you can dim it at night for sleep mode or brighten it during the day in auto mode. I love how quiet it is. You'll only hear about 28 decibel when it's running on low speed. This means that you can run it while you sleep without having to worry about waking up in the middle of the night from loud noises. The SleepPoint application gives you exclusive smart controls over your air purifier, so you can schedule cleanings or turn it off as well as set up modes like auto mode and sleep mode, so that your purifier runs only when you want it to, or child lock so that your kids can't mess with the settings while you're away from home. This app also shows how much time it has until it needs replacement of the filter, as well as graphs showing your current air quality. The Airversa Purelle Smart Air Purifier is definitely an amazing product that I recommend to anyone looking for a top-quality air purifier. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.